Sometimes the rocks will just either split or sometimes even blow up in the kiln. This rock has glitter in it, and there's a spot in here. I don't know if it's removable or not. We're going to check it out. So this piece is pretty flat like it is, but we're going to have to see if we can chip that out. So we've already got some places to hit. Got me a platform here and knock off a piece there that's hanging down. I'm going to go up to the 1.5 inch bopper. Make me a platform here. I strike down like this, and then I have a place to hit when I turn it over, run this ridge. There. Really nice. Looks like that stuff is gonna just disappear. Okay, so start trimming up a little bit here. Usually, sometimes I pressure flake with a bopper head a little bit. Okay, I need to remove some mess on this side. We need to turn the edge a bit. So I'm going to try to zigzag a little bit on the edge. I have to be careful not to take off too much. This piece is already not that thick, so I have to be careful not to take out too big a chunk when I don't want to. Getting kind of flat now. I want a big piece off of here. Get rid of this crust. I seat the point against my finger for back support, and I have my finger along the ridge here to apply pressure. Alright. We need to do one from over here. So chip down this edge. Make sure it's ground. I'm going to knock a big flake off here. The piece is resting against my finger here for back support. My finger along the ridge. Okay. Just a little bit more here and we'll be done making a preform. It's a nice big white spot in here where all that ugly stuff used to be. It's cleaning up really nicely though, and there doesn't appear to be any more bad spot anywhere in here. Okay, there's some thick area here. Make sure that edge is ground good enough. Put my back support along this finger. Knock a flake here. Okay. I need one more right there. Gonna go kind of an angle. There, now one little thick spot here and we'll be done making a preform. There. Well, let me get one more little spot here. Yeah. Okay, I took a couple more thinning flakes from that side. I guess I'm gonna do one more, and then we're gonna quit working on this piece. Just trying to make some preforms. I didn't know if this rock would even be worth saving because it looked so bad to begin with. Maybe one more right here. Got me a platform sticking out there. Grind it down good enough because I'm going to hit a pretty good lick right there, and this thing will be really nice and flat. Yeah, that was great. Okay, so let's see. This rock was sitting in there somewhere. and the heat split the rock, and I just began working the rock, and we've got this nice egg-shaped white spot in here. And this rock has lots of little tiny glittery specks in it, and maybe some fossils right along that crust there, just underneath the crust. This piece is going to pressure flake nicely. Should be very, very pretty. Thank you for watching.